Yo, what's up? It's your boy Frenchy with Tullay from Kattu boyz. This song is dedicated to Mia, yeah, and especially the lovers out there.
Yeah, this your boy Tullay, and I dedicate this song to my girl, Maggie. I love you 116%, girl. Yeah, I swear I could fly. I want this to last. Kwe imna es nganin reyo liye chera kajaro esi one word baro isika mololi rose pe aleto kwe es kwe wotle kulgun vergan minagane kwezi mane ngalgun yawe kwezi no le bin buruwo igina na boy kondo inel bed yituruwo igara sela ke kuspun ganga sinige yarre wojanga na mesam imu warre tong na meja you shine like a star isip kanan bendo running games ala ton wadamu kogunban ine bada I speak from the heart kon rusake nan ke na le sera nan king nan kwe what I tell about you and agaruwo kwe what le kon expect ilo burwo nange imis nan estala jeni mori imgan na skime mis kwe de regio me argote purwan la tole.
Boys. Every time. Original yung es manana. Tagay yung style ng nga menono. Tagay nga sita magkakosal. Nga sam. Kagundo ko yan majaron to kung kasi pwede kajero. Penisper penindong. Sinabihan nga ng video. Yo, aku numpanin bergum kamana, bukul kata yung kwe, pagkakajurya, ilo niya na masalo. Tumbrong nga kikiruro, ngay chiche, tumbrong chagom kanang to, yung manana way ang may sao ko chekip, siwan derikin wo siwan rosa maroro, tanagiging ngawun yawayo, ginabuban mo, ibang alam nga wanay wa, ila buru wa, this likatu girl is in my heart. We'll never be apart.
Yeah, you know how it is. 116. My baby girl, you know that I love you. I put my life in the line, yeah, I die for you, fight for you, protect you from any harm. I promise you that you will feel safe right around my arms. Yeah, I remember those times when I am feeling down. You will let my spirits, my hopes right from the ground. Damn, I am proud to call you my girl. There ain't no doubt, you deserve a crown.
I love for my life is you. You are the one and that is true. I know it ain't cheesy, but for me it is for easy. Believe me, every time I wake up I wanna thank God for sending you from above. And now earth angel, you are my love, and only you, cause you is enough. That was every time I look into your eyes, I can't even believe that you is mine, yeah. Yeah, it's your boy Frenchy, F to the some, yeah. With Tullay from Kattu boyz. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is the real shit.